Onye Igbo Robi Alan. Igbo Robi Ebene Oila Onye Oshibene Biawa. Yabi. And you went any shaman and you did a last 11 in the town. Why it was a billy and he did the answer.
That we make him before Jimmy Ruben, Oga Wadi boy who can naba. Okay, you and a kaka naba. Who we show cool, no, I have we share car is share cable audio. National Jesse. There's a cane. Oh, yeah,
Osno kwa kwa tu na ba ekpera yin. Akiri ba be bo beta. Sin kwa ka ke dongo. Na le ya ke no mejo. Owo egbuja le ni na ho egbuja. O gba dodo. Ndini bia na ro we ma. Ba be ku no wo le joku ro. No le joku. Ku ko da ba na erere. O gba dodo mo ra le dodo. E na ka wa pa do gna re ma. E ka je na yin to mi a je na yin.
No je no ro mo.
E ka no je no ba yin.
E we kwa mi me.
Wadi no apa
na
jiwagwa
ndo kwa na ku no nyo ka afọ aka
no we joku
Una American. The one do nwata na dia ji oji okoko ja agba wozo. O na nya azu na ka mana na onwe he kwa azu. Beni nre wo jari atom. Ba. Me oji me no jari atom na mana ndị nri ihe uwe. Na me ko nwene ihe ke me nwa abavo na onu kweri na ka lu me. Ya obi anwo na nwa. Ndị be na-etu n'elu agba ka ahụ nwata eze. Ne bekaru nwe oke ha ka okome dokpa ọnwa anyị na be no were mmanya je kwa. Ne ọnwa ka eji be na se ne ewo ibo ne. Ne ọnwa ka eji che no ọjọọ. Ore darasa. Darasa.
Ori gano ero lo.
muna bi ale kele mo lo do ta kumbo kai on ke no na le kai na ba hin e ko ba agwa le ijo no bia uskare na mare no no ma rene data le mare na Nigeria le ma ato wa yi na so te wa bi da ototo nko wan ska e kele mo awo la awo do ore ido bido Allah yin de le ide me yin ma le yin me fo yin aso le fo yin la so ya ta mo e amonu e ko gbo le gote amonu e ko gbo lere imo obodo awo ya ta no la no le yin me bido ho e ya ga bo bido e yin bi abia na bi be no wa yin patapata lazi
ni si ya mama ale awo
Echo nice
16 clan in Abavo Kingdom. Idumugbo wo nyeche ela wili wezu idumugbo ile awile zu ogwa nwata ega idumugbo kwa no ha ya bi ogwa ya ma wo ogwe ile bi awile
aswapa di
okay asapara awo onu nwe idumu eko gbe ku efa we bido nwe idumu gbo opara ina nwe so idumu gbo
idumugbo ogbe idibo ogbo holo Igbogili wele ekogbe to isogban adogun oriokan osi ekoma yawa azọwa ekoma oyoko okpe Obi Ayima Ekweze
okay yeah Oh, young Tony, so do you go or we wish it? Oh, we see the Mugo. It's more busy.
That's central is
Yeah, we're with the ball, central community.
Okay, that central.
Yeah, we'll
Where is first?
Obi.
Let me explain it. Central community, consists of 3 quarters. Even the 3 quarters, the most senior with Mugbo, followed by Ogudibo, then Ogbamolo. Okay, then there are 3 quarters.
Then the Mugbo, where is it?
Mba, Ogudibo, when was it?
Ogudibo,
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then, like, Igbogli.
What is that?
Igbogli, 3 quarters again, 3, yeah. It's also Adogun and Orioka. Yes.
Orioka, whoever was that before I said about Orioka, Orioka was that from no origin.
Yeah,
Like Orioka, Asandone, Kefeka.
Oroka lodu. Yeah. Oroka. Yes.
Aliodu.
Yes.
Keep them Kibia. Oroka Aliodu.
Yes.
Aliodu.
Yes.
Yaodu Omaniahu.
Yes.
Aliodu. Odu. Odu as in ODU.
Yes. Go on.
Oriaka Aliodu. Okay.
Then, Ayamba Azowa.
Yes.
Azowa is made up of Koma,
Oyoko,
Ukwe, and Ekweze. Ekweze, no, Ekweze, yeah.
Ekweze.
Yeah.
No, only came out as for instance.
Yeah. Then, Ejema Udomi, Imiele. Yes, Imiele. Alioha. Yes. Ekoma. Yeah. Then Idumobodo. Yes.
Okay.
Now the 4 clans Erima Udomi. Then after some time again, where you are not found this Obi Ayema from the time of Obi Ayema.
When I'm working community.
You are not be I found that place. Then then Obi Ayema or the 2 group a formona Ogbobi Lobudomi we found that Obi Ayema. So reka alright
Ogbe we ji Odogun mani Abavo ya
Odogun
As a leader.
Onwe no gba aza Odogun
mba.
Okay. This
can do about Obi Alemani only lo he ogoji wechi na Abavo Beni. Look at
Obi Alema.
Ayema. Okay. Na ka ahwa Ayema.
Ago jiwechi.
Ayema ka Ayema ge ri ake wagi ejeje meme Obi Ayema.
Leo mama. During the task you don't have Balconia. Obi Ayema like and the way that I declare as you do. These 2 clans now, Ogbonlo and Ogbudu. Yes, Ogbudu and Ogbudu. So they have to leave and go there and settle. Both parties come and Udomi. Come is from Udomi now. Ogbudomini. Our son, our children that are Ogbobi. Then when they got there, because as they come up from Ogbobi. Obi Ayema, which means their children are there. Okay. You understand? That is it.
And two, to mention the land, that land belongs to Abavo. To mention anywhere that land, the kind of settlement, Abavo scatter type of settlement.
Okay.
Why?
To protect
the land. Yes. Yeah, again, find that place.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the money, our culture ihe ndị na-ene nwe ka ọnwụ na-ede akwụkwọ
When they go to pilots, they will see it.
I think when
Oyakweze couple with one of our late principal, Patrick Osahon, they so rest in peace. Because it's historians. If not, I believe I have misplaced my own copy. I should have got you the copy right from the day one. The time he's late.
Okay.
You know, if you go to Oyakweze can lick you up.
Okay, also the word AWO, AWO, Yawo, Onye Fando, Abavo, AWO.
That's the name of the founder.
The founder.
Yes.
AWO, Elebe
Osi awo onye na-ememe awo su elebe ọ ga-abịa
onye mama ale onye pụha lọpụasị mmewe onye nini ya wo wee fa awụ ata awụlori mmewe onye ya wo awụ na onye niri ata
onye ibụzọ bi ala iwe onye ibụzọ bi ebe na ile awụ onye osi ebe na-ebi ewa ya bi ebe enyi na-eshi ama enyi ndị alasịla ebe na ole nleta ngwa isu eji ebiri enyi liri aza awụ